What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode. Today we are on a different island. This one is much smaller and has these beautiful cliffs. By the way, this is Duka, she's my chica.
Hello.
And today we are gonna try to catch some fish on a freaking hand line. First thing she was able to catch was me.
Don't move.
Come on, put it down. Look at these cliffs, like it's so sharp. Crazy, dude. Careful. These rocks are so sharp and also slippery. Last time we lost the lure, but I would be so happy if I will be able to catch something on this freaking thing. Dude, it's so windy. Going back to me. Dude. Not a good spot. Wind is crazy. Come on, eat it. I know you are there. Alright, this is definitely not a good location. The waves are so strong and the wind insane. I think that's oysters. I'm not sure, but I think I found some oysters. Look at this! I was just trying to open it with this little knife. It's a little kitchen knife, and it just broke. Oh my god, okay. I mean, I'm not even sure if it's oyster or no, but I think it is, because what else it could be? But how the hell should I open it with this kitchen knife? Look at this. Dude, I have no idea how I'm supposed to open it. It's definitely oyster, I think. But hell no, I have no idea how to open it with this little knife. I mean, like, the problem is not that the knife is small, but the problem is that it's a kitchen knife and it's like, as you can see, it's not a hard steel. And it's pissing me off because I really want to open these oysters, but I'm just not able to do it with the knife. Maybe not maybe, probably I'm also doing like wrong technique, but still that knife is definitely not strong. This is so sharp. The wind was so hectic on that cliff there, but I hope in this area it can be better. There is also something like a hidden beach, so I would like to explore it. There is so much fish, but this wind is hectic. This wind is unbelievable. Come on. Unbelievable. This wind is crazy. I'm just not able to cast it into the water. But there is so much fishes and they are not in the deep water. Like, dude, really? How am I supposed to cast it into the school of fish when this wind is so crazy? Cannot believe this. In the morning there was no fish here, but also no wind. Now it's windy as hell and I can see the fishes. Like, dude, they are absolutely not in the deep water. There is a dead crab. I think I can actually use it. Yeah, he's dead. Ah, come on, look at this dead crab. So I wanted to put this dead crab on a bigger hook, but this crab is like, it's just dry. It's nothing, so it's not very possible. This is hectic, dude. It's impossible to cast it. I have no idea how to do it with this wind. I think I'm just gonna throw it to the water. Come on. Alright, this is absolutely impossible, but the wind is pumping from there, so I think that maybe when I stand there on that cliff, maybe there will be not so much wind. This freaking lure is stuck on a cliff here. Like, I mean, dude, it's not very safe to go there. Come on, finally. Now I think we can try to get something on that cliff, because hopefully it will be not so windy, because the wind is pumping from there. So I think, but we'll see, I'm not sure. This was so fun, like proper fun, because heap of fish there and I'm just unable to cast the lure because of the wind, but never mind, it is what it is. Now we can try on the other cliff. I think I would be definitely able to catch some fish if there was no wind, because there was like heap of fishes. I mean, look at this beach. There is a couple of fellas down there, but never mind. We are going there on the cliff behind the trees. But this view is hectic. So I wanted to go there. Where is it? There. on the edge of the cliff, but I'm not sure how to get there because there is like no path to the cliff. But look what we just found. An abandoned resort or villa or something like that. It's definitely abandoned here. Dude, what the hell? And there are small villas up on the hill. Dude, crazy. Here's like a little bar. Look at that, man. I'm just wondering how long it's like that. Yeah, it's like a resort complex with villas. Interesting. Look at this, dude. Kind of scary, but nice flowers. Yeah, it's looking kind of scary here, but I googled it and they said on the Google that it's closed since COVID. Come on. Alright, but we are not here because of the abandoned resort, but I really want to go to that cliff, so I have to find some way, and my GoPro battery is low, so I have to rush. Come on, let's do it. Try to do like simple movement. I think for me it was working better when I did like simple movement, and you don't need so much power to cast this lure. Come on. I'm trying to learn how to cast lure, and I'm literally did it like second time in my life today. Wind is still kind of strong, so it's hard to cast this lure, and it's just 3-gram lure, so I think it's not gonna be possible today. I don't know if you can see it, but can somebody explain me what are these, like these what is it, like circles or something like that on the water, and it's like super flat. There is like a like, I don't know, like part of the water it's like super flat, like without waves. I don't know why, but look at this. Look at this view, this sunset. Amazing. Alright guys, so unfortunately we didn't find the path to that cliff. I just don't know how to get there. I'm not the local, so but never mind. It was so fun. We found some oysters, we found a heap of fishes in the water, but because of the wind I just was not able to cast the lure into the water. But that's okay. It was fun. It was a very good time in the nature, and thank you for watching. I will be so grateful if you just smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next one. And don't forget, keep living! And don't forget, keep living! Yay! forget, keep living. And don't forget, keep living.